Experiencing problems with your Rogers streaming box? This section focuses on resolving power and network connectivity issues. First, address power problems by checking the power cord, outlet, and adapter for any damage. Perform a power cycle by unplugging the box for 30 to 60 seconds, then plugging it back in. If that doesn't work, try a different outlet or adapter. Next, tackle network issues by restarting your router/modem and ensuring the Ethernet cable is securely connected. If using Wi-Fi, verify the signal strength is above 50 Mbps for 4K streaming. You can also try forgetting and reconnecting to your Wi-Fi network through the box's settings menu. For a more in-depth diagnosis, use the Rogers Speed Test app to assess your internet connection. Remember, most issues are resolved with these basic steps. If your Rogers streaming box is experiencing performance slowdowns like freezing or app crashes, a factory reset might be necessary. This process erases user data and restores the box to its default settings. Access the factory reset option through the on-screen menu by navigating to Settings, then Device Preferences, and selecting Factory Reset. Keep in mind that this process will wipe your data, so back up any recordings if possible. After the reset, you'll need to reactivate the box through the Rogers app or website. Also, check HDMI cables for loose connections to ensure proper signal transmission. Ensure your box has the latest firmware updates, which often include bug fixes and performance improvements. For persistent issues, Rogers has a self-diagnostic tool in their app to run automated checks for power and network issues. If problems continue after these steps, contact Rogers support at 1-888-764-3771.